We are at Tidewater, the Teal Lake Village section of Tidewater Golf Plantation. And about a year ago, I had the opportunity to get connected to Kevin and Mary. Looked at some properties, some listings here in the Tidewater Golf Plantation area, and came across a bank-owned property that actually really caught their attention, especially the back view off the patio. And anyway, the property was in need of repair, and we're gonna have the treat today to come and check out what they've done to the inside of the property since they purchased it earlier. Actually, January of 2018 is when they closed. So this will be a lot of fun. This is incredible, guys. Wow.
We ripped out the kitchen.
Yeah.
And then we bumped all this out.
Yep.
What else? The floors, obviously. The dance floor. There was this ugly platform thing here.